Hey everyone, Western Illinois AS and more here. We got a severe thunderstorm in Troy. I'm working on it. Just give me a second.
Per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. The damage is likely to mobile homes,
Alright guys, I'm back.
roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include St. Jacob, Marine, and Highland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 21 and 24. Interstate 55 in Illinois near exit 23. Interstate 64 in Illinois near exit 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring.
Sorry buddy, my internet is being really slow, and I'm on another device. I'm on my iPad because my phone's recording this thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Monroe County in southwestern Illinois, northwestern Randolph County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern Jefferson County, northern St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri, northwestern St. Francis County in southeastern Missouri until 6 p.m.
You don't have to monitor it right now. There's nothing. There's nothing yet.
Olympian Village, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Hear that thunder? And that rain and the wind?
The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomsville and St. Genevieve. This includes State 55 in Missouri.
I just saw lightning over there.
150 and 178.
Woo!
This also includes Felix Valley House State Park and Sandy Creek Covered Bridge Historic Site. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern and east central Missouri.
Yeah, I was there for that.
The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories.
Sorry guys, I'm talking to Pearson on my stream. Whoa, that was loud.
Until 6 p.m. for the following county: Monroe, Illinois, and Jefferson, Missouri.
Whoa, more lightning.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m.
The main
for the
lightning
following
core is
county:
still off to my south.
Jefferson, Missouri. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois.
Yeah, there's one north of
and
me.
St. Clair.
That's way north of me though.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 515 has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair, and the following counties in Missouri: Franklin, Jefferson, Lincoln, St. Charles, St. Louis, and Warren, and the Missouri independent city of St. Louis. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, northeastern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pontoon Beach, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
Is that any better?
Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Yeah.
The following impacts are expected.
That's what's me. That's what's near me right now.
Damage is likely to
Whoa!
homes,
What's
roofs,
this?
and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Edwardsville and Maryville around 5:15 p.m. Troy around 5:20 p.m. Glen Carbon around 5:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include St. Jacob, Marine, and Highland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 21 and 24. Interstate 55 in Illinois. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 6 p.m. for southwestern Monroe, northwestern Randolph, southeastern Jefferson, northern St. Genevieve, and northwestern St. Francis counties. At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Olympic Village, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Festus, DeSoto, Crystal City, Rocky Ridge, Prairie du Rocher, Falls, Hepatite, Grinnell, Kellogg, Ames, Blackwell, Victoria, Charlton Bridge, Failsville.
I think I might have gotten that one.
This also includes Felix Valley House State Park. This includes Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 150 and 175. Interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. It may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the KTL 89 listening area, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: Monroe, Illinois, and Jefferson, Missouri. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Illinois, Madison, and St. Clair. Thunderstorm watch number 502 has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: Illinois, Madison, Monroe, St. Clair, and the following counties: Missouri. National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clinton County, Vaughn County, southeastern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, Fayette County, northwestern Washington County, southeastern Montgomery County, northeastern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois until 6:15 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Reno to near Lebanon, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near New Baden and Trenton around 5:45. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Breeze, Albers, New Memphis, Germantown, Mulberry Grove, Oakville, and Chilbanier. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 24 and 68. Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 19 and 41.
Whoa!
This also includes Ramsey Lake State Park and Carlisle Lake Recreational Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
In response to your question, Pearson, yes, my Wi-Fi was down for a bit. As you'll see in the video of this later. A lightning bolt knocked the internet out. Whoops. Hey there, buddy. Yeah, we're getting slammed with lightning right now. The rain core of the storm is about to move east. Has moved east of me, but the lightning part is just over my head. I've had multiple close. The reason I left is because there was a lightning bolt that was so close it knocked our internet out. You'll hear it in the video because you can actually hear it. Whoa! It's actually starting. No, it was just there was a loud rumble, and you can actually hear it echo off the south side of the. Whoa. Starting to rain again. Nice. It's like this constant rumble of thunder. It's not stopping. There is a lot of lightning in these storms. Like, whoa! That was loud. Oh. There's a lot of cloud to ground lightning in these things. That's all it is. I wouldn't be surprised. I'm still in it. I'm still in it. Whoa. Yeah, those are moving into St. Louis right now. I didn't know your local office was so friendly with helping you identify radar.
5 p.m. for...
Whoa, hang on. There's a crawler. That one was right over my head.
With 50 and 175.
Oh, Jerseyville's off the air.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and
Oh, shoot. Oh, get an alert off of Chester. Wow.
the National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri, western St. Francis County in southeastern Missouri until 6:45 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Olympian Village, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bloomfield around
Yes, it is.
6 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Rocky Ridge, Yarden Rock, Compton, and St. Mary. This includes Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 141 and 162.
Whoa.
This also includes St. Joe State Park, St. Francis State Park, Hunt State Park,
Hear my weather radio popping?
South State Park, and Missouri Mines Historic Site.
That's how much lightning
For
there
your
is out here.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash
There was
flooding.
just a warning issued in
Do
Nevada,
not drive your
Missouri.
vehicle through flooded roadways.
Nevada and Fort Scott, Kansas. Yeah, it's for Nevada, Fort Scott, and Walker. Man, that thunder's constant. Oh my god, we're getting pea-sized hail. We've got some hail here, guys. Whoa, that was a loud rumble. He's watching this right now. He's actually in the middle of another storm. Gage is in the middle of another one. There's not a warning on it, it's just a nasty... Jesus, and there's still shit in Michigan. God.
Missouri, including the cities of Chester, St. Genevieve, Perryville, some weather conditions across the region at 5 p.m. It was cloudy in Salem with a temperature of 89.
No, that's the abbreviated.
Morning. A chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Good. Hillsboro's on the air.
Morning.
I was worried Hillsboro wouldn't be on the air tonight because they got a wind gust even higher. Whoa. Even higher than we've seen here with the warnings. An airport at Litchfield Airport measured a wind gust to 80 miles an hour. No.
Eastern Washington County, southeastern Montgomery County, northeastern St. Clair County, and southwestern Illinois until 6:15 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were
listen to this line.
Line extending from near Reno to near Lebanon, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near New Baden and
I'm not going to end the stream, that's for sure.
Greendale,
did you hear my weather radio pop?
Lawrenceburg around 5:50 p.m.
KD89 never does that.
The path of these severe thunderstorms include Breeze, Albers, New Memphis, Germantown, Mulberry Grove, Oakdale, and Chauvenir. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 24 and 68. Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 19 and 41. This also includes Ramsey Lake State Park and Carlisle Lake Recreational Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
This is that constant thunder, dude.
Thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. for southwestern Monroe, northwestern Randolph, southeastern Jefferson, northern St. Genevieve, and northwestern St. Francis counties. At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Olympic Village, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Whoa. Did you hear that crackle? That crackled all... That was lightning, yeah. Yep, I've been going now for almost 23 and a half minutes, basically.
Missouri. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. for Clinton and Bond counties in south central Illinois, southeastern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, Fayette, northwestern Washington, southeastern Montgomery counties in south central Illinois, and northeastern St. Clair counties in southwestern Illinois. At 5:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Ramsey to near Highland to near Trenton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters.
Uh-oh.
The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ramsey, Germantown,
Southern
Beaver Creek, Vandermeer, Carlisle, Tamalco, and Boulder. This also includes Ramsey Lake State Park and Carlisle Lake Recreational Area.
Whoa.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 24 and 68. Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 19 and 41. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a summary of watches.
What'd you say? Yeah? Whoa. This thunder is like really loud. No. 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 I've done that before. Whoa. Nothing yet. Whoa. This thunder is like right over my head, really. Only reason I don't have my phone out the window is because I'm not really seeing any lightning. Whoa! Holy crap! I think so, Mother Nature. Are you mocking me for being blind? That sounded like a bomb going off. They really should have, you're right. Damn, these storms are already over by Eastern Illinois University. That's almost to the Indiana border. Jesus. They're basically knocking on Indianapolis's doorstep. This is really something. Why? how do we set a 120? I know that. I can send you the video for it on Midland's thing. But then you have to set it up from scratch. So they just canceled a warning.
Northern St. Genevieve and northwestern St. Francis counties. At 5:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Olympic Village, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
It's actually south.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following
This one's gonna
effects are
miss me.
expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Genevieve, Olympian Village, Bloomsdale, Rocky Ridge, Blackwell, Vales Mill, and French Village. This also includes Felix Valley House State Park. This includes Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 150 and 162. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Here we do.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 515.
The thing that's scaring me the most is that they haven't canceled any of the watch. It's all still there. Which makes me feel like, oh shoot, is it going to be extended, expanded? What is going on?
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the
I can see
development of
midnight.
severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
Well, we're down to
and listen
79.
later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 515 has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Franklin, Jefferson, Lincoln, St. Charles, St. Louis, and Warren, and the following counties in Illinois: Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair, and the Missouri independent city of St. Louis. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. for Clinton and Vaughn counties in south central Illinois, southeastern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, and northwestern Washington, southeastern Montgomery counties in south central Illinois, and northeastern St. Clair counties in southwestern Illinois. At 5:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Ramsey to near Highland to near Trenton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Just beware, you're going to have to reset and set up everything over again.
The following attacks are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding.
Alright.
Locations impacted include Ramsey, Germantown,
It probably will.
Mecklenburg, Carlisle, Temalco, and Boulder. This also includes Ramsey Lake State Park and Carlisle Lake recreational area. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 24 and
Like I said, they're working on that.
Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 19 and 41.
It's still thundering.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio KGO 89.
Oop, they're doing an update on St. Louis's weather radio.
2.550 megahertz. This program originates
This must
from the
means they
National
updated the forecast or something.
Office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serves
Once every hour, they go through the whole broadcast cycle to keep people up to speed.
surrounding counties. Heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. Flood watch in effect through Thursday morning. Severe thunderstorm watch 515 in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. Tonight, Thunderstorms with showers likely this evening, then showers and thunderstorms likely after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall. Then some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall after midnight. Locally heavy rainfall possible this evening. Lows in the lower 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour, diminishing to around 5 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of rain 90%. Thursday, partly sunny. Patchy fog in the morning.
Ooh.
A chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the morning. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall in the morning. Not as warm. Humid with highs in the mid-80s. South winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Humid with lows in the lower 70s. East winds around 5 miles per hour. Friday, mostly sunny with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Humid with highs in the upper 80s. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Heat index values up to 100. Friday night, mostly clear. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Humid with lows in the lower 70s. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Saturday and Saturday night, mostly clear. Highs in the lower 90s. Lows in the lower 70s. Heat index values up to 105. Sunday, sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. Chance of rain 20%. Heat index values
Raining
up
again.
to 105. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of thunderstorms. A slight chance of showers in the evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 30%. Heat index values up to 100 early in the evening. Monday, mostly sunny with a chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms, mainly in the evening. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday, severe thunderstorm watch number 515 has been canceled for the following counties in Missouri: Franklin, Lincoln, St. Charles, St. Louis, and Warren, and the Missouri independent city of St. Louis. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm watch number 515 has been canceled for the following counties in Missouri: Franklin, Lincoln, St. Charles, St. Louis, and Warren, and the Missouri independent city of St. Louis.
No.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 515 remains in effect
And it's
until
still in
9
effect
p.m.
for me.
the following counties in Illinois: Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair.
Just
and
watch,
Jefferson.
though. There'll be a severe thunderstorm warning out of the blue for Franklin, St. Charles, and St. Louis. And St. Louis will be like, oh,
For the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging
yeah,
winds,
that always happens.
close to the watched area.
They cancel watches way too early.
Not be imminent. Persons
It
should
always
remain
happens.
rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 515 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair, and Jefferson, Missouri. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern Montgomery County, and northeastern St. Clair counties in southwestern Illinois is canceled.
So the storm,
Which prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been
the storm is out
a severe thunderstorm
of
watch
Madison
remains
County
in
and St.
effect
Clair
until
County.
9 p.m. for South Central and southwestern
At least the
Illinois.
severe one is.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 515 has been canceled.
So we can stop monitoring the weather radio for right now.